Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a handy Illustrator trick that will save you a ton of time, duplicating objects effortlessly. So, imagine you've created this fantastic square shape, but now you need more of them. Instead of tediously replicating them one by one, let me show you how to duplicate them in a snap. First off, select the object you want to duplicate. Now, here comes the magic. Hold down both Shift and Alt keys, then simply drag the object where you want the duplicate. Voila! You've got an instant copy. But wait, there's another method you might find familiar from other software, the good old copy-paste. Just Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, and bam! Another duplicate ready to roll. Now, let's kick it up a notch. Say you need a whole bunch of these squares, not just one or two. No problem. Select the shape again, do the Shift+Alt drag trick, and make your first duplicate. Now, instead of repeating this process manually, here's the savvy move: hit Ctrl+D. That's right, Ctrl+D is your shortcut to duplicate heaven. Keep tapping it, and watch as Illustrator effortlessly fills your canvas with duplicates, maintaining the same spacing each time. And here's the best part: this technique isn't limited to squares. Whether it's text, images, or any other object, Ctrl+D is your go-to for lightning-fast duplication. And there you have it. That's how you duplicate objects in Illustrator like a pro. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.